Oh, that's good. That's so good. Bonjour. Bonjour, Nejanashanabedog. And welcome to Bonjour Nana Bonjour, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Okay, so I was just drinking a kale shake. My grandma made me a kale shake. And you know what? It's pretty good. You wouldn't think so. I mean, look at it. It's all green and eesh. But when you taste it, it's sweet. There's lemon and kale and a banana and what else? I got a cucumber. So yeah, it's real good for you. Check it out. Anyway, what do we want to talk about today? Well, maybe we should talk about how we eat. I remember growing up, my grandma was always like, "Hey, wiisininda, let's eat." And then we'd eat the best food. We'd have chicken and mashed potatoes, wild rice, manomen, and yeah, good food. But you know, to be happy, you gotta eat right. You kids, if you're sleepy, if you're crabby, you might be eating too much sugar. You might have too much caffeine. You should lay off them Red Bulls. Lay off the Rockstar. What's that other stuff that's in that can? I've never even tried it. But they say, in the old ways, when I would talk to my elders, I'd say, "Hey, how do I live a good life?" I don't know. They always say the same thing. Listen to your grandma. Eat well. Mino wiisinin. Eat well. Okay, well, I guess that's all I want to say today. You should try the kale shakes, they're really good. Okay, well, gigawabamin minowa. I'll see you again.